Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can properly export a video in CapCut. Now this works for YouTube, it works for basically any video, any social media video. That's probably what you are all going to want to use it for. So once you got your video and you are happy with your project, you want to go to then export in the top right, and that will open up this window here. And you can see the duration and it's going to tell you the estimated file size. Now first you want to go to the title and change the title here whatever you want. So I'll just change it to video example, and then you can go to the export to window and you can then choose a folder you want to export this. So by default it's going to put it in your CapCut local folder. If you want to just put it somewhere else, you can do it. I'll just keep it here for the sake of the video. So once you've selected your folder, you are then moving to the video exporting. Keep the resolution on what it recommends. You can up it to 2K or 4K, but if you don't have 2K or 4K footage, I wouldn't even recommend that. Most likely you are going to want to export into 1080p. There is no point rendering in 4K if your footage is only 1080p, because all it's going to do is make your file size bigger. For bitrate, again you can keep it on recommended, you can keep it on higher. Again is going to increase the file size. I would just keep it recommended because you want to find a balance, right? Then codec, again for YouTube, make sure you are on H.264. this is the best codec, and also keep it on MP4 frame rate. If you have 60 fps footage, you can up it to 60 fps. Again, if your footage is only 30 fps, just keep it on the default. Then make sure export audio is checked. You don't need to change the audio format here, but just make sure it is checked, otherwise it won't export with audio. Then you can click export. It will then start to export your video. Now this can take a while depending on how long your video and how big the file is, but once it's done, it will then be in your destination folder. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.